From the 1st of July, cable with a reaction to fire that's used permanently in buildings and construction works requires a declaration of performance and CE marking under the Construction Products Regulation. And by applying the CE mark, the responsible person is accountable for the conformity of the product. CPR, through a common technical language, enables the performance of construction products from different manufacturers and countries throughout the EU to be assessed and compared. Consistent information is then available for those who need to know. From this date, all reaction to fire cable supplying electricity and/or signals and used permanently in buildings and construction works for control and communication purposes will need to meet European standard EN 50575/2014, which specifies the test and assessment methods to be used for reaction to fire requirements. Cables having resistance to fire are not as yet covered by the requirement now being introduced, but they will be in the future. So, what does CPR cover? Well, it's the way in which a product is placed on the market, including assessment and testing methods, product performance declaration, and the type testing system of assessment. It does not say how and where a product should be used. The regulator in each member state will detail which class of performance must be used in a particular application or type of building. In the UK, there are no official requirements, so it will be down to the designer or specifier to detail which class of performance must be used. Cable that's already been legally placed on the market before the 1st of July 2017 and is in stock at a distributor does not need to be CPR compliant. So, as a manufacturer, what do you need to do from here? Well, you must get products tested and classified and make certain that the relevant DOP is made available to the purchaser of the cable. The product label must carry the CE mark, the class of performance, unique reference number of the DOP, scheme of assessment, and the identity of the notified body used. Your DOP may be in paper form or an electronic version. The CE marking, in accordance with the relevant harmonised standard EN 50575, must be on the product label or labels. Most manufacturers are already ensuring their relevant cables will be placed on the market with the required documentation and CE marking. A full description of the classes of reaction to fire for cables, their meaning and significance can be found in the BCA Guide for Specifiers. Just visit www.bcauk.org. This important cable CPR message is brought to you by the Approved Cables Initiative.